Now we use condition 3 to find En. We substitute t equal to 0 into uxt. Replace this t by 0. So from En cos 5 in t, replace this t by 0. Replace this t by 0. Sin 0, 0. So we only have En here. So En, this En times cos 0 equal to 1. We get En times sin nx. Okay, this is the Fourier sine series. So if we compare this series and the original formula of Fourier sine series, Bn sin n pi x over L. So here L is equal to pi because here we get nx. So when n pi x divided by pi, we get nx. Okay, so to find En is equal to Bn. Bn equal to 2 over L, 0 to L. In our case, L is equal to pi. So we find En by using 2 over pi. Integrate from 0 to pi fx. Fx given in the equation given x over 6. So x over 6 times sin nx dx. Integrate this one using tabulate integration. So put in table, differentiate x up to 0, integrate sin nx 2 times. Okay, and then put plus minus time diagonally x times negative 1 over n cos nx plus 1 times negative 1 over n squared sin nx. So summation of this expression we get equal to En 1 over 3 pi negative x over n cos nx plus 1 over n squared sin nx. Okay, now replace x by pi. When replaced by pi, we get cos n pi plus 1 over n squared sin n pi. N pi equal to sin n pi equal to 0. Substitute by 0 also 0. So we get negative 1 negative x over n cos n pi plus 0. Replace here 0, so 0. Okay, so after simplify, we get negative 1 over 3n cos n pi. To find Bn, we use the condition for del u del t x0 t equal to 0 equal to sec 5. Given in the equation, gx is equal to sec 5. We already differentiate this one. ut equal to negative an sec 5n sin sec 5nt plus bn sec 5n cos sec 5nt sin nx. So we substitute t here by 0, substitute t here by 0. So when we substitute t by 0, sin 0 is equal to 0. Cos 0 equal to 1. So we get bn sec 5n times sin nx. So we get this expression. Okay, this is a Fourier sine series. So if we compare this expression and the original Fourier sine series, this is a Bn. And L, in our case, L is equal to pi because n pi x divided by pi is equal to pi. So we need to integrate from 0 to pi fx. Fx in our case is gx, sec 5. Sin nx dx. Okay, this is a Bn. Okay, because Bn equal to sec 5 and Bn. Okay, so after integrate, we get 2 over pi n negative 1 over n cos nx. Okay, now substitute x by pi. So when we substitute by pi, we get cos n pi here, negative 1 over n cos n pi. Okay, and then we substitute by 0, we get 1, negative 1 over n. Okay, now this n we take up, so we get n squared. So after simplify, we get 1 minus cos n pi. So uxt displacement in term of cos and sin. We substitute an here and bn, the value of bn times sin nx.